Hello my dear students. The growth of our body is brought about by cell division and cell growth. So we know in a zygote there is only one cell. Then what happened to that single cell? It divides into many cells, form embryo. Embryo develops into fetus and all. So growth of the body is taking place by cell division. So due to cell division, number of cells increases and size of our body also increases. So today we can study about cell division. And there are two types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. And now we can study about mitosis. Okay. And in this mitosis, two steps are taking place. First, the division of nucleus takes place and it is followed by the division of cytoplasm. And the division of nucleus into two, that is called karyokinesis. So division of nucleus is called karyokinesis and it is followed by the division of cytoplasm and it is called cytokinesis. Okay. So first we can look karyokinesis or the division of nucleus. So we have studied the structure of a cell. Inside the cell there is a nucleus. Nucleus have nucleolus and chromatin reticulum is present in the nucleoplasm. Okay, so this is the structure of a nucleus. And we study in animal cell there is a structure called centrosome. There is a structure called centrosome. And when we study about the structure of nucleus, we studied that just before cell division, the chromatin reticulum will change into rod-shaped structures called chromosome. You remember that, no? And these ribbon-shaped structures are called chromatids. And the central part is called centromere. So the two parts, ribbon-shaped structures are called chromatid and the central part is called, this part is called centromere. Okay, so this is the structure of a nucleus. So just before cell division, so many changes take place in the nucleus. One thing is that this nuclear membrane disappears, nucleolus disappears and the chromatin reticulum it changes into rod-shaped structures called chromosome. And this centrosome divides into two centrioles. It divides into two centrioles. One is in this end and another one is on the other pole of the cell. And from these centrioles, some fiber-like structures called spindle fibers. Fiber-like structures called spindle fibers develop. Okay. So what are the changes that take place in the nucleus? Nuclear membrane disappears, nucleolus disappears, chromatin reticulum will change into rod-shaped structures called chromosome, centrosome will divide into two centrioles, both will be on either end. Then from the centrioles, some fiber-like structures called spindle fibers develop. Okay, and the number of chromosomes is constant in each species. So the chromosome number in human beings is 46 or it is 23 pairs. Okay, so the chromosome number is constant in each species. In human beings, what is the number? It is 46. If it is 47 or 48, that's not a human being. So in human beings, chromosome number is constant, that is 46. Okay, so here just before division some changes take place in the chromosome number also. So now it change into rod-shaped structures called chromosome. Then next this chromosome number doubles. So you can see I have given red and black color. So chromosome number doubles in before division. So now the chromosome number is 92 in this cell. It doubles. Okay. And from this, the centrioles are on either end. From the centrioles, the spindle fibers come and attach to the centromere. It is attached to the centromere. And after that, this chromosome divides in the middle. Two chromosomes are there. They will divide into two. And one pair will go up through this spindle fiber. And other one will come down through this spindle fiber. So they will divide. Chromosome number is doubled. Then they will divide into two. Half of them will go to the top and half of them will come down. So here it was 92. So out of this 92, 46 will go up and other 46 will come down. So here 46 chromosomes are present here and 46 chromosomes are present here. After that, again the nuclear membrane develop around this. Here also nuclear membrane develop around this. Then in next stage, this chromosomes again change back into chromatin reticulum. Nuclear membrane develop, nucleolus develop, everything. Okay. Now division or karyokinesis is over. That is, division of nucleus is over. One nucleus divides into two nucleus. After nuclear division, division of cytoplasm takes place. And in animal cell, this cytoplasm develop one constriction on both sides. And that will come and meet together. And then the cell will divide into two halves. And in plant cell, there is a slight difference. In plant cells, a cell plate develop in the middle and that will extend into both ends and one cell will divide into two cells. Okay, so here division in this mitosis, what all things we can see? Mitosis is the cell division that is needed for the growth of our body and repair of our body. And this division is taking place in our body cells. So mitosis takes place in our body cells for the growth of our body and for the repair of our tissues. Okay. The next point, what? One mother cell. This is the mother cell. One mother cell divides into two daughter nucleus. So it is dividing only into two cells. So one mother cell divides into two daughter nucleus. Then next, here the chromosome number in mitosis, chromosome number is kept constant. Mother cell was having 46 chromosomes. Both daughter cell also have 46 chromosomes. So chromosome number is kept constant in mitosis. And here only one division. Only once the cell is dividing. In meiosis we can see two division. But here only this cell is divided into two cells. Only one division is taking place in this mitosis. Okay, so mitosis is taking place in the body cells for the growth and repair of our body tissues. So we study the spindle fibers develop from the centrioles in animal cell. But we know centrosomes are absent in plant cells. So in plant cells, spindle fibers develop without centrioles. They are developing from the poles. Okay. And in karyokinesis, that is nuclear division. And in this division, there are four phases. That is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So the four phases are prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So what are the four features of mitosis? Mitosis takes place in body cells for the repair and growth of the body. Chromosome number is kept constant. Only one division is taking place in mitosis and mother cell divides into two daughter cells. Okay, so next division is meiosis that we can study in part 2. Okay, bye.